Hello and welcome to Learnify, where we help you learn smarter, not harder. In this video, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of the psychology of learning. By understanding how the brain learns, you can optimize your learning and retention of information. Section 1. How the brain learns. The first thing to understand is how the brain learns. The brain has a remarkable ability to form new neural pathways and adapt to new information. This process of creating and strengthening connections between neurons is known as neuroplasticity. By understanding how neuroplasticity works, you can optimize your learning and retention of information. Section 2. The importance of sleep. The next key factor in the psychology of learning is sleep. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation, which is the process of transferring short-term memories into long-term storage. Studies have shown that getting enough sleep can improve memory retention and recall. Section 3. The role of emotion. Emotion also plays a key role in the psychology of learning. Research has shown that emotions can enhance or impair learning and memory. Positive emotions, such as curiosity and interest, can improve learning, while negative emotions, such as anxiety and stress, can impair learning. Section 4. The power of practice. Practice is also critical to the psychology of learning. The more you practice a skill or recall information, the stronger the neural connections become in the brain. This is known as the principle of reinforcement, and it's the basis of many effective learning strategies. Section 5. Applying the psychology of learning. So, how can you apply the psychology of learning to your own learning and studying? First, ensure you are getting enough sleep to aid in memory consolidation. Next, use emotion to your advantage by approaching learning with a positive attitude and curiosity. Third, practice regularly to reinforce neural connections and improve retention. Lastly, use a variety of effective learning strategies, such as active recall and spaced repetition, to optimize your learning. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding the psychology of learning can be a powerful tool in optimizing your learning and retention of information. By understanding how the brain learns, the importance of sleep, the role of emotion, the power of practice, and how to apply these principles to your own learning, you can become a more effective learner and achieve your goals faster. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.